Hey everyone, welcome back. Are Crunchyroll subtitles not appearing at all or disappearing partway through an episode even though you turned them on? Here's the fix. Crunchyroll subtitle toggle can desync from that video stream, especially after pausing or resuming. So first, pause the episode, tap subtitle icon on the player, turn subtitles off and then turn it back on again, which forces the player to reload the subtitle track cleanly. If that does not work, fully close the Crunchyroll app from your recent apps so it isn't running in the mode in the background. Then reopen it and restart the episode. Next, in the settings, go ahead and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off once the time's up. Since a weak or unstable connection can cause captions to fail to load even when the video itself plays fine. If subtitles are still missing, go to your settings again, then go to general, then scroll down to VPN and device management and confirm no VPN is active, since VPNs are explicitly known to make subtitles disappear or duplicate Crunchyroll. So all you gotta do is toggle subtitles off and on the first, then force close and reopen, reset your connection and turn off any VPN. Subtitles will show up again and that's it. Subscribe.